Hello everybody. Okay, so today I'm going to declutter my lipsticks, my lip glosses, my lip liners, my balms for the lips, everything related to the lips. Maybe I'm going to pull out first the lipsticks that I'm sure I'm going to keep, and then I will probably make a comparison about the colors to see what I keep and what I don't keep. Just be aware that you can give away lipsticks because it's easy to sanitize, but it's very difficult to give away lip glosses because it's impossible to sanitize. So unless you have a friend and she knows you and she doesn't care to use your lip glosses, it's very difficult to give away lip glosses. So I will have to figure out something. I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, let's start. So this one, actually it's more a lip gloss. Okay, I will do that with the lip gloss. So this one, it is CoverGirl. It disappeared, but we can see it. 550. So CoverGirl 550. This one I bought it because I have this one by Rimmel. The number is 80 that I love, that I almost finished. I wear it all the time. I will probably buy it again. And this one was cheaper and I wanted one for my bag. So as you can see, it's not exactly the same thing, but I really like it and it's exactly in the same family of color. And this is great as an everyday color. I love them. I probably will buy them again, one or the other, but I especially like the Rimmel one. So I keep that. By the same way, I'm going to keep this Rimmel one that I bought not a very long time ago, so it's a kind of a brick red. I wear it also and I'm going to keep it. I really like the Rimmel lipsticks by Kate, probably Kate Moss. This one, the number is 01. This one I'm going to keep. It's a Lancôme. I don't have a lot remaining. I have it since a very long time. It's more for summer. It's like a pinky red and I'm going to use it and wear it. The name is Rouge Abstrait. I will keep it. By the same way, I'm going to keep this one. It is Bronze Metal 800 Maybelline Brown. It's slightly transparent, but sometimes I wear it alone, more in winter. And sometimes I put it above another lipstick, so it makes the lipstick a little darker. It's very convenient and I really like this one. I also like this one, which is 870 Shocking Coral by Maybelline as well. And it is very summery. It's kind of a pink. It's between orange and pink. And I have a t-shirt which has exactly this color on it, and I wear it when I wear my t-shirt, but sometimes I wear it for other reasons. Oh, this one, I love it. Estée Lauder Renutrive 55 Copper. I don't know if it still exists because it's very old. It's almost done. Look. And I'm going to finish it. I love it. It's kind of, yeah, copper. Brownish brick. So those ones are Chanel from the 80s. I was buying a lot of Chanel in the 80s and I absolutely love them. They still have the same smell as in the 80s, so they are not damaged. They don't hurt my lips. I have no problem with them. If I had a doubt about the smell, I would throw them away, but so far so good. So this one is a red coral, Rouge Corail, perfect for the summer. It's not finished, but there is not a lot remaining. This one is Rouge Magique, so magic red. It's a darker red. I wear it more in winter, but you can wear it whenever you want. The number is 26. I don't know if they still exist. It's a more bluish red, this one. And this one is Soleil de Minuit, so the number is 69. It's a brick red, and it's a little like the Rimmel one that I bought recently, which is this one. You see, I'm attracted always to the same colors, so if you want to have something similar to that, you can go to Rimmel number 01. It's very similar. So this one, it's a Revlon. The name is Strawberry Suede, and it's a kind of red, a little orange red, but it's almost matte, and it really gives a feeling of, when you put it on the lips, it really looks like some suede. Yes, it's a very interesting aspect. So I think that I'm going to keep this one. I must admit that I don't wear it very often, as you can see, but still I wore it and I will continue to wear it. Anyway, you know, the lips, it's something I put, even when I have no makeup, I always have something on my lips because I have very dry lips. This one is from the 80s Yves Saint Laurent. It's a true red, and I absolutely love it. And it's a true red, and I will wear it. It doesn't smell bad, it's beautiful, and I'm going to continue wearing it. Oh, this one is Bourjois Violine pour Divine 24, dark. It's a brownish red, almost burgundy. I wear it very often, especially when you can see me on my videos. I often have that on my lips, because on camera, when you put a color like, I don't know, nude or something like that, it's not very visible on the camera. But I have to put something like that so you can see that I have something on my lips. No, the point is not to show that I have something on my lips. The point is to show that I have lips. So this helps. I removed those ones because they are more lip glosses, and I want to stick with the lipstick for now. Oh, this one is fabulous. Love That Pink by Revlon. I'm not sure that you are going to find that because I have it since a very long time. It's a pink, and I love it, and I'm wearing it a lot. This one, I must admit that I don't wear it during the year, but in summer I wear it. It's Chanel. It's a really pink, kind of hot pink, but not too hot. It's between pink and hot pink, and it's Rose Absolue, Absolute Pink, number 10. Wearing it, using it. Oh, this one is very cheap. It is Wet n Wild, and the number is 9100, Red Velvet, Velours Rouge. It's a true red. It's rather matte. I'm wearing it. It's a little drying on my lips, but I like it. I still like it. I'm still wearing it. So this one, it's a brand that I don't know. It's more a lip gloss than a lipstick. You know, I think that I'm going to throw it away because the smell is weird. Oh, this one, I love this one. It's Agnès B. The color is Pop Pink, and I love it. It's a little pearly, and I love it. So easy to wear for the everyday. A little transparent, a little like a lip gloss, but it's really, I love it. So this one, it is Agnès B2 Hydra Jelly Rose Gold 2003. Same thing, it's the everyday life, nothing special, but I'm wearing it. It's something that I will put in my purse or that I wear really easily. This is Kanebo International. Same thing for that. And same thing for that. I must admit that I'm not wearing them very often, but they are almost finished, so I don't see myself giving them away when they are almost done. I think that I will have to make me wear them more often. This one is really orange. It's funny because I don't see them by the same way when I'm in my bedroom and when I'm near the window, so that's interesting. I don't have an orange like that. So I must think about using them because they are still different from the other colors I have. This one is Rouge 522. The brand is Dior, Christian Dior. It's a little matte. I'm wearing it. Obviously I have a lot remaining. I don't wear it enough. It's a pity because I really love the color and love the aspect. I must think of wearing it more often. By the way, this is a brush for the lips. I really like to put my lipstick with a brush. I think it holds better. And what I like is that you can do this, so even if you put that in your purse, it doesn't get damaged, or it doesn't damage your purse. That's a perfect solution. This one is Hollywood 74. I don't see the brand, but I know it's a high-end one. I'm wearing it. I don't see myself giving away something like that which is almost finished. So this I wear all the time. It's French Geranium Estee Lauder. I wear that in summer. It's orangey red, but it's a little transparent, so it's more, I consider it more like a lip gloss than really a lipstick. It's a little like a, well, it's very colored, but on your lips it's a little transparent. That's why it's so easy to wear. So those three ones are very old and almost done. This one is Petal by Barbara Gould, but as you can see it's almost finished. It's really whitish, pearly white. I really like it, and I'm going to finish it, but I can give away something like that. And this one is almost purple. It's the name is Violette pour Guillerette by Bourjois. I love it. It's a very old one. And this one, the name is Parme Ezou by Bourjois. During a while, it's almost finished, as you can see. I wore it like crazy. During a while I was wearing a lot of purple, but it's almost transparent. I'm going to finish it, but I love the packaging of these two ones. Look at that. I love that. It's terrible because I buy stuff for the packaging almost. So those two ones are Agnès B that I bought myself. This is a nude that I like, and this is a dark brick red that I like too, which is almost like my other ones, but same thing. You see they are almost done, so giving that away, it's weird. Okay, and this one is, I think, Agnès B too. Yes, it is an Agnès B. I found it in one of my purse. It's caramel and it's almost transparent. You know, I think I'm going to throw that away because the smell is really weird, so I think I must not keep that. I think it's not going to be some giveaway, it's more going to throw away, because when the smell are weird, it's better not to wear them, because then you can have problems on your lips. This one is an old one too. It's Wet Shine Cherry Rain by Maybelline, but I think that I bought that in Paris. I would like to give that away. The problem is that it's almost finished, so it's weird to give that to someone, but that is something that I could give away because I'm not wearing it. That is more lip gloss. So these things are not really lipstick, it's butter Revlon for the lips. How would they call that? As you can see, I bought that at CVS. Revlon So I have candy apple, I have crème brûlée, I have pink truffle that I wear all the time, I have red velvet, I have lollipop that I wear very often, and I have cupcake. So these colors, I really love them. The problem is that with the heat they become really in bad condition, and I clean them. I clean most of them. So you know, these things I'm going to finish them, but I don't think that I will buy again. You see, it's almost finished. I don't think that I will buy them again because they get too much damaged quickly. I'm going to show you the colors just if you are interested, but I really like these products. So this is lollipop, this is cupcake, a little pale on me, but I love this pink. This one that I'm wearing all the time, but you see, it's really, it's pink truffle. Look at, it's almost finished actually. So I must finish this one. Maybe if I had to buy another one, it would be this one, the pink truffle, which is #1. That is something really that I like. This one is red velvet. It's a little darker. They are all almost finished. I must finish them. I must finish them and then throw them away. And this one is crème brûlée. During a while I was not wearing it because it was too pale on me, but suddenly I wanted some nude and I was wearing it all the time. But I look like if I had nothing on my lips when I wear that. Oh, and I also have this one, which is candy apple, which is almost orange, red orange. So I don't know if you see. I'm sorry, last time I was not really in the frame of the camera, so I'm trying to stay to stay in the frame of the camera. Okay. And this one, what is it? A Bright Poppy by Clinique. Oh, it's really orange. It's incredible because in my bedroom I see it red, but at the light it's really orange. I don't think that I'm going to wear that. So maybe I'm going to give it away, but I have to sanitize those ones, you know. Oh, I was almost forgetting. So I also have this one, which is Revlon 26 Winey. So I like this one. It's almost finished too, you see. That is a color that I wear easily. It's kind of raspberry. And this one, Rouge Brillant by Je Mets. It's matte. I still have a lot remaining. I like it. It's matte. I like the aspect. I like the color. I must just wear it more often. Okay, now I'm going to go rather to the lip glosses. So this one is the last one that I bought. It's NYX. The name is London 04. Number, yes, you see London 04. It's matte. I bought the matte. It's nude. I absolutely love this thing. So these days, I'm wearing that all the time. So that is a keep, definitely. Here I have several Agnès B, which are great. The problem is that I'm not wearing them very often, and I'm wondering if it's not 3 times the same one. Rose Métamorphose, Rose Métamorphose, Cuivre Rose. They were not mine, they belong to my mother. That's why I ended up with this thing, because I wouldn't buy something like that. That is more brown. But as I was saying, we can't give away lip glosses. It's like mascaras. Mascaras, you can give them away. Eyeliners, you can give them away. You can give away lip glosses. It's because it's things that you can sanitize. You can sanitize powders. You can sanitize lipsticks, but because this goes inside, so when I use them on my lips, if they are, I don't know, something dirty, it goes back inside, so it's difficult to give it away. I was reading that online, and this one is completely transparent. So I think that I'm going to keep them because I don't like to throw something of this quality away, and in the same time I can't give them away, so it's really a problem. Unless a friend of mine accepts to take them. So maybe I will put those two ones in the giveaway. This is a Chanel that I have since the 80s. It's completely transparent, slightly pearly. It has exactly the same smell as in the 80s. I just must finish it. You see, brillant à lèvres, so it's lip gloss, irisé, so it's pearly, Chanel. This one, I bought it recently. It's Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. I love this thing. It's matte. The color is really raspberry. It's really raspberry, and what I like is that even when it dries, the color remains. It's like a stain, so it stays on the lips. I really love this thing. This I love, it's a nude, I'm wearing it all the time. The brand is Estée Lauder Tea Rose. It's a kind of nude. The only thing that I would say which is not good is that I stock them up like that. So when I have them inside, I don't really see what it is. And that's why maybe there are some that I don't use enough, because I don't know what they are. This one, I'm wearing it a lot. I put it above some lipstick. It's Brillant à Lèvres lip gloss, Arc-en-Ciel. It's with sparkle, so of course as soon as there is some sparkle, I love it, as you can see. Oh, this one I bought it myself. It's Revlon and it's hot pink. I wear it all the time, especially in summer. We can feel a little the sparkles on the lips, but I absolutely love that. I try to separate them per category. This is a MAC. It's the only MAC that I have. So there is the lip gloss on one side and there is the color on the other side. It's a little broken, so it has a tendency to go everywhere. It's almost finished on this side. There are still some remaining. I like because when you put it on the lips, it has the taste of a cupcake. I'm not wearing it often enough, but I must wear it and throw it away. I can't give away something which is kind of broken. This one is transparent. It's Ultra Gloss by Arc-en-Ciel. That is something that I put in my purse, you know, easily. It's very nourishing for the lips. I like it. And this one is almost finished. It's Tomate Exotique by Bourjois. I wore it like crazy, but it's almost finished, so I must finish it and throw it then. So these 5 ones, my mother gave them to me. It's Chanel. The one that I wear the most is this one, Chanel Electric 38. Especially in summer, I like it. I also wear often the transparent one because it's an easy one. Maybe the color I wear the least is this one. So it's like a dark red. The brown one, I like it, but it's a little dark on me. And this one is more like brick. This is Passion. This is Pulsar. This is Electric. This is Diabolo. And this is Equinox. Honestly, the one that I wear the most are those 2 ones. And sometimes this one. But those 2 ones I wear the least. But once again, I can give away some lip glosses, so I have to figure out what and how, and I don't know. It's really annoying, this story. Those two ones are Kanebo, and both are Frosty Mods. So both are the same color. Obviously my mother liked to buy several times the same. That is a color that I'm wearing easily. Do I need two? No, I don't. I would probably keep one and give away the other one, but once again, how can I do for lip glosses? If I have a friend who wants one, I will give it away, but it's kind of hard to give away these things. Annoying. Okay. And these ones are, wait a second, I must clean. These ones, my older son bought that for me at Sephora. It's a stain, so it's not a lip gloss, it's not a lipstick, it's just a stain, but you have to put a lip gloss above. So this one is orange, this one is pink. I love these things. You see, it comes from Sephora. I don't know if they still do it, and my son bought that in Paris a while ago, but I absolutely love these things. I wear that very often. It's Revlon. So the color is Beguine 005. It's Revlon lip, I don't know how we call that. I have this one too. I wear both. Very often I have that on my videos. So this one is more hot pink. The color is Lovesick. I wear them both and they are completely broken and they are almost finished. So I'm going to finish them, and probably I will buy one again. Probably this one. And this one, it's the same principle by Wet n Wild. This color is a stiff pink. I wear it too, but the quality is not as good as Revlon. But it's good too, but a little more drying than these ones. So I have also these things that I found in my purses or in my nightstand table, or which were separate from these small baskets. For example, I have this Chanel thing, which is very nice. It's a lip gloss with glossy satin pearly matte. The color is rose vif, so it's like bright pink. The number is 52, and I must admit that I'm not wearing it very often. So that is something that I think I can give away, even though it's Chanel. So this is Makeup Forever. That is something that I wear a lot. It's great. As you can see, it's very used. It's really nudes, all kind of nudes from light to dark. And look, there is a mirror. I absolutely love this thing, so I'm going to use it. I wear it more in winter than summer. So this is a lip balm. I recommend it. I have it near my bed. It's Nuxe Rêve de Miel. It smells like lemon and honey, and that is the best lip balm ever. I absolutely love that. It's almost finished. I will buy another one. Actually, my neighbor is selling them, and I'm going to buy from her another one because I love that. Nuxe, I don't know how we say that. It's a French brand in the US. I don't know if it exists in France, but we find that in the US, and it's wonderful, wonderful. So this, it was in my purse. It's Baby Lips by what? By Maybelline. As you can see, I loved it. I use that all the time. It's lip balm but tinted. I really like that. Probably I will buy that again. This is CoverGirl, the Lipsticks Smooth Cheese, I don't know, tinted balm. I use it also a lot, but between the both, I think I prefer that. This is the same but not tinted, and I use it a lot also. Oh, I think I have some on my desk. Wait a second. Help! Look at all what I have on my desk. Ah! We think we're done, but we are not. So this is something that I bought on Etsy. It's a lip balm, lavender, It smells great. I use it a lot. It's almost finished. Will I buy it again? I don't think so, but I liked it. This one is finished. It's even more than finished. I go inside. I love it. It's Nivea Milk and Honey. I am keeping it because I want to think of buying another one. And once I have the other one, I throw that away, of course. And this is Elf. It's also a balm, tinted balm, pink. I like it. When you put it on the lips, it's kind of cold. And I like it, but it's not nourishing enough. So once I'm done with it, I will throw it away and I won't buy it again. This was in my purse. It's Wet Slicks Fruit Spritzer. It's kind of a tinted balm. It's too greasy. I don't like it. I'm going to give it away. This one, I have even a backup for that. I love that. It's Lancome Juicy Tube Mood. At my desk, I put that the whole day. I'm using that. I love that. I recommend that. So Juicy Tubes Mood Lancome. It has no color, but it's really very nourishing for the lips. This is Super Balm Moisturizing Gloss Hydratant Grapefruit by Clinique. It's the same kind as Lancome. Between Clinique and Lancome, I prefer the Lancome one. This is Agnès B. It's the same thing. And same thing, I'm going to finish it and that's it. And I still have that, so oh my god. This is Agnès B with some sparkle in it. I found that in my purse. Super Gloss Pulp, I'm using that. And this is Kanebo again. Yes, Frosty Mod, another one. I think that I would give that away. And this is, I don't know the brand. I think I'm going to throw that. It seems to be, yes, it's almost finished. I have to throw that away. Okay, so these are the pencils for the lips. You know what? I never buy that. All the ones that I have been given to me. I was saying that objects are coming to me. It's terrible, but it's the truth. So this is Bourjois. That is something that I like, because you can use it like pencil, but you can also put it on your lips like a lipstick. You see, this one is wider. These, I use them and I'm going to keep them because I use them. So I really love those ones. So the colors are Bourjois, extrait de grenadine et pincée de paprika. So this is the pencil. Oh, Pupa, I don't know the brand. Made in Italy. The color is completely the kind of thing that I wear. This is Lancome for my pinks. So I like to use the pencil which goes with the lipstick, as you can imagine. Oh, I put some lipstick everywhere. This is Arc-en-Ciel Porto, perfect for my browns. Bourjois Contour. I can't see the color anymore, but that is something that I use very often. This is Sisley Fauve. It's not really fauve, it's more pink. And what I like is that there is a brush for the lipstick here. So that's perfect. Sisley, this one too. Perfect for my brownish red with the brush too. And I have this one, which is Agnès B. A little dry. I think I'm going to give that away. That is something that someone else can use. And I have another one which is with my makeup there and that I use every day, so of course obviously I will keep it. So here is basically what I'm going to give away or to throw away, because some of them must be thrown away. So here it is. I hope that you liked it. I'm sorry if it's a little long. You know, the lips, it's mostly what I use the most, because I always have something on my lips, because my lips are really dry and I don't like to go without anything on my lips. I forgot my Burt's Bees, so I have this one that I wear all the time. 714 Brimming Berry. Sorry, it doesn't want to focus. And I have this lip balm that I use a lot. It was on my bed. Bird Bees Honey Lip Balm. Love it. Okay, now I'm really done. Okay, I see you very soon. Don't forget to give a thumb up if you liked it and if you want me to continue it. If you want to comment, please do. And if you want to know more about that and what I'm going to do in the decluttering activity, the best is to subscribe and to click on the little bell so you will be alerted when I do something new. I see you very soon. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.